Hello friends, I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for an easy way to clean my blinds. Welcome, my name is Penny. We're back on our Wednesday kitchen cleaning, clean your space challenge. And guys, on today I am going to clean my blinds and I am going to wipe down my cabinets. Sound easy, right? Well, I have to tell you a story on this today. It sounds easy, but it's a task with this. I have not cleaned these blinds in a minute, and these right here are not too bad, but I have to come up with a better plan because the lighting is kind of bad today because of the weather. So I'm going to try to take these down. I haven't taken them down since I put them up almost 7 years ago. But I'm going to try to take these blinds down today. I thank you so much for stopping in on my Wednesday kitchen clean challenge, cleaning my space, getting my home cleaning to a better me. God bless y'all, and thank y'all for stopping in. Friends, in this 16-week challenge, we're in week 12 and 13 in our spring cleaning the blinds and wiping down the cabinets. Thank you so much for joining us. Friends, this is a collaboration with my two friends, Melissa from the Buckeye Reef Girls and Things, and also Miss Anna from the Grace DIY channel. I thank them so much for collaborating with me, so please go back and watch their channels, and their links will be in my description box. Thank you, everyone, for joining in, even if you watch this video. God bless you, and I truly appreciate it. Friends, I want you to know that I truly struggled trying to get these blinds down. I thought it was a good idea to take it down and soak them in the tub to make it easy on my life, but man, it took me a minute trying to figure out how to get these blinds down. Here's a tip I want to share with you because I have never taken these blinds down ever since we put them up about maybe 7-8 years ago. I always clean it, keeping them on there, not taking them down. But today I have to take them down. But tip to remember, make sure guys that you take the screw out the middle. I was struggling with this thing, but there is a screw that holds up these vertical blinds. So just remember, take the screw out the middle first. So you don't know, guys, when you start doing these projects, you just don't know. So I'm trying to do a less work, but you just don't know, guys. You just don't know how it's gonna come out. Down, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot water in the tub, dish detergent, some Dawn, and some bleach. And I have only 2 more to get down. And after I realized that there was a screw inside of these blinds here, it made my life so much better and easier. So it came down real easy this time. So I'm curious, what is the method of you cleaning your blinds? Do you take them down and soak them in your tub, or you just clean them with some cleaner and let them stay hanging, or you just use some hacks or sock? I've seen people use socks to clean them with. I've seen people use cleaning brushes, different things. So I just wonder, how do you clean your blinds? I'm about to take down this blind, and this one is so much easier and doesn't have the screw in it. But this one, being that it's next to the stove and it catches all the grease and the cooking fumes and stuff. Now this one is the really dirty one, so this one really needs to be soaked. Friends, the shout out goes today to Miss Shirley, and she said, "Hi baby girl." She said the top of the stove is the hardest to clean. She said, "I need one of those scrapers." So Miss Shirley Ann, go to the hardware, Home Depot or Lowe's. They have them there. And guys, please go to Miss Shirley Ann's channel. She's a wonderful lady on YouTube. She does natural hair, and her hair is so beautiful. And guys, if you're into natural hair, Miss Shirley Ann, she do reviews on products. She does makeup. She does vlogging, and you will love her. Thank you so much, Miss Shirley Ann, for your love and support. I truly appreciate it. And guys, her name and channel will be in the description box. Please let her know that I sent you there. God bless y'all. Friends, every week on my cleaning videos, I'm going to do my best to do the shout outs. Now, after I pull down these blinds, yes, it looked rough on the outside, but me and my husband have to do that another day because the weather is kind of funny outside. But I am going to use my water and vinegar, and I'm going to use the microfiber cloth. I'm going to wet one with hot water and wipe it. So that's how I'm going to clean these windows. And it may not look like it's much to it afterwards, but it is because I have to do the outside. But like I said, that's another day and another time. Videos are bringing you some inspirations, and there will be a playlist because we really have to get in at home and clean one space at a time. So I'm trying to inspire y'all to clean those blinds and windows, because if you take the blinds down, you might as well clean the windows. Hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous day. God bless y'all, and thank y'all so much for watching. Friends, now for the cabinets, and all I'm doing is wipe it down the cabinets and the backsplash, because even though I organized them, I didn't really wipe them down, and it's definitely needed. You cannot tell on the video, but it is definitely needed, especially around the handles. So this is the challenge for today: cleaning these blinds, windows, backsplash, and even these cabinet doors. I'm using this water and vinegar because not only is it a cleaner, but it's also a disinfectant. So I need to disinfect this. And on the backsplash, I'm going to use my odor band because it cleans it a little better than the vinegar. And that's a deodorizer too. So my house smelling real good. I got the blinds in bleaching water. So guys, I'm trying to sanitize it all and get things clean. Now on the windowsill was something sticky, so that's why I had to pull out the older band and really scrub right there and put some extra vinegar and stuff on it too. And just let it sit for a little while. I don't know why, but right where the kitchen sink at, where my kitchen cabinet at, that's the worst place my cabinets always get real filthy at. It's right there where the kitchen sink is at. Friends, thank you so much for making this far in the video. Now, I'm not going to get on the chair and get on top of the refrigerator and clean that cabinet. I'll do that later. That one was fine. And I'm going to do the top of the microwave later on. Because one thing I've learned is that you don't want to get frustrated and overdo it or overwork yourself. Because if you do that, you're going to lose the interest. You're going to lose the zeal for it, the excitement for it. So just don't try to overdo yourself in a day. Just try to do a little at a time, and that's all you need. But I am going to wipe this kitchen island down in the front, and later on I'll get the other side. So I'm just still got stuff to do. It's amazing how you got things to do. It's always something to sanitize, especially in the kitchen. You always got to sanitize. Now, I know I have to repaint. I already told y'all that, but that's not going to be a video or anything. I'm just going to try to repaint it. I might show you some of the stuff I'm doing, but I'm not going to try to video that. But I'll continue even after this collab doing some cleaning projects and hacks. Thank y'all once again for watching. One thing I did forgot to tell you guys that I did let the blinds soak for hours. So I did set the timer so I can let it soak and it make it so much easier to clean it. That's why I put bleach in it. And I got about 25 to 30 more minutes. And I just wanted to check on them. So see the one that's real bad that's over the kitchen. All that gunk, dirt, grease, grime, everything is coming up. So guys, here's the finished project. My husband said, boy, them things look brand new. Sorry, I did do a video putting them back up, one of them anyway, and I thought I had recorded and look at it and I said, I didn't record it. But this is the finished product, guys, and it looks so much better. It looks so much wider. And also with doing this and soaking them, you know how the string sometimes get dirty? It cleans the string. Everything is so much better. So I just have to straighten things back up now because I've been moving everything around. But I thank you so much. And now next week it'll be week 14 and 15. I am going to do the lights and the couch because I need to do my couch. I really do need to clean my couch. And after that, the final week is week 16. It will be the pantry. Guys, always look in the community tab for the collabs. And all my tier tray collab lovers, remember the tier tray collab for the April Easter month is May the 29th, this Tuesday at 6. And if you cannot get your video up on Tuesday, you're welcome to put it up the day after, because I always leave it open. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye from Penny.